Didn't we film these last time?
No, we didn't film these last time.
Oh, I thought, okay, these look very familiar. That's...
Oh, no.
Yeah, look, there's another elevator on the 47th floor.
Oh, there is?
Transfer on... Yeah, we should get that one too.
Yeah, let's go. We'll go back up. Do that.
Hopefully no patrons get on.
Yeah, hopefully not.
First floor.
We'll get off at 47.
This ruler is good. This cab reminds me of 191 Peachtree in Atlanta.
Nice.
You gotta see that building one day. It's really nice.
Oh, I will make it out to Atlanta in the future. It's on my bucket list, believe me.
This is a TC Energy Center.
Nice. I'm gonna end the video here.
Okay.
And that's it. Okay.
These are cool buttons. Jim says these are Schindler Honda.
They are. Yeah.
There we go.
Bird's eye maple. That's what the walls are made out of.
Oh, wow. Hey.
Hello. Our version of vintage high-rise elevators in Dallas is at the Comerica building.
Comerica building?
They have Fujitex from the 80s.
Oh,
you come back to Dallas, I'll take you on them. You can get them from the tunnel.
Cool, yeah, we gotta do that one day.
Me and Jim filmed them when he visited.
Nice. Yeah, I definitely want to see that.
And those go up to, I think, 65 floors.
65?
Or 60-something floors, yeah.
Wow, that's cool.
And then we're going to stop it here.